Hi friends, how are you? Today I am going to show how to make mechanical parts in SolidWorks or learn it. First of all, open the SolidWorks software, then go to File and select New, select Part and select OK. Now go to select front plane and sketch. Now here select plane white. Now draw the midline from origin. Now here select. Now give the dimension, this line dimension, this line and this line. Go to Ctrl Z. Again draw the line here. Now give the dimension, this point and this point distance 92. And this line dimension 18. Now go to this line, select midpoint, this point coincident. This line control, this line equal. Okay. Now this line and this line distance 20. Okay. Now this point control this point horizontal. Okay. Now go to offset. Now select chain. Now select here 6. Now go to select reverse and select here cap in line. Okay. Now go to feature and extrude. Now here extrude from mid plane 40. Okay. Now go to this plane and sketch. Now draw the circle here. Give the below circle 38. Okay. Now go to feature and select extrude. Now here from blind. Here extrude select 6. Now go to direction 2. Now here select up to next. Okay. Now go to this plane and sketch. Now draw the circle here. Give the below circle. Give the below circle 30. Okay. Now go to feature and extrude. Now here extrude. Now here extrude 18. Okay. Now go to this plane and sketch. Now draw the circle here 20. Now go to feature and extrude card. Now give the below extrude card 5. Okay. Now go to this plane and sketch. Now draw the circle here to add. Now go to feature and extrude card. Now here select through all. Okay. Now go to this plane and sketch. Now draw the circle here and here and here and here. Now give the dimension circle 8. This point and this point distance 22, and this point distance 74. Okay. Now this point and this line distance, this point and this line distance 8. Okay. This circle control this circle and this circle and this circle equal. This point control this point horizontal. This point control this point vertical. And this point control this point vertical. This point and this line distance 9. Okay. Okay. Now this point control this point horizontal. Now go to feature and select extrude card. Okay. Now go to here, select fillet. Now select here fillet 2. Now select here and here. Okay. Now go to isometric view. Now select front plane and sketch. Now go to this plane and sketch. Now draw the rectangle here. Select this line midpoint, this point horizontal. Okay, now this line dimension 6. Now here this point move. This circle converted this. Now go to trim here, cut. Okay. Now go to feature and extrude. Now here select up to surface. Okay. Now go to this plane and sketch. Now draw the hair line. This point and this point and this point. Now select. Now go to isometric view. Now here select extrude card. Okay. Now go to isometric view. Now here select right plane and mirror. Now here select extrude and cut. Select. Okay. Now go to isometric view. Now here select solid. Now select solid And now this color select. Okay. Now go to asymmetric view. Now here select in white and shaded with this. Make our job. Thank you all everyone, share and like. If you have any ask you can write comment.